In this video, you'll learn how to prepare for increment planning in 2 steps. Step 1, extend the program plan. Step 2, prepare the program backlog for use by prioritizing and ranking. Preparations for increment planning are already underway. When the template was used to create the program, an initial program plan with an increment and team was automatically generated. I've also already done planning for a second team. Right now I want to add a third team to the first increment. To do this, I'm going to use a pattern provided by the program template. I'll apply the pattern Add Team to Increment to the activity Develop Increment 1. I need to choose the new team, Team C. I determine where the backlogs for the team should be located. And right now I'll refrain from replacing the default names. The iteration for Team C has now been added to the program plan. With objectiF RPM, it's not only possible to plan the next increment, but to proceed proactively and plan epics in another subsequent increment that I know now will be realized later. I want to keep this option open, and therefore I'll create the next increment straight away. Here I only need to do 3 things. Select the predecessor of the increment, that's the end milestone from the preceding increment. Specify the first team for collaboration. Team A is fine. And give the increment a name, Increment 2. The pattern takes care of everything, extending the program plan and creating everything needed for the participants to start working. The plan has now been updated and the infrastructure for the teams has been created. The second step is to prepare the program backlog for increment planning. The epics created up to now have already been prioritized. Epic 3 and 5 appear to be of equal importance. Where to begin? After discussing with stakeholders, I'm going to undertake a ranking in order to record the stakeholders' decision. Epic 3 has a higher business value for them than Epic 5. I can input the ranking or just use drag and drop. Now, increment planning can get started.